Hi! Hello! How are you today? Are you ready to read the Babies and Doggies book? Yeah? Are you ready to begin? Okay, the Babies and Doggies book. Ooh, lots of things babies do. Doggies do too. Babies and doggies hide and peek. Babies and doggies like to eat. Yummy! They get funny and goofy. They run till they're loopy. They both play ball. Look at the ball. And they both sit tall. Babies and doggies stop to sniff. Babies and doggies love to kiss. Mwah. They get silly and splashy. They smile when they're happy. Babies cuddle and doggies cuddle too. Lots of things babies do, doggies do too. That was so much fun. Good job. We just read the Babies and Doggies book. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.